All right. We're out here swinging with Alexander. Are you having fun? Alexander? Are you having fun? Yeah. And what is that dreadful noise all around us? Those are the cicadas. They're making their horrible, really loud noise. Let's see if we can listen. Do we hear that? And where are these bugs? They're kind of freaking everywhere. Now they don't bite, and they don't do anything too horrible. There's just a ton of them. They look gnarly. We'll see if we can find one here in a little bit. And they make really, really loud noise. All right, we'll check in later.